What's up, traders? Welcome to live trading session. This is live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy, and this is Forex Wizard. We will be trading live NFP today. The market will be extremely volatile. At the end of NFP, we might find a significant trading opportunity. As soon as I'll see a trade, I'll give it to you for free. So make sure as soon as you start, smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. There is a chat area on the right side or left side of your screen. You can ask me question if you want me to cover a specific currency pair, specific time frame. Let me know right on the chats area, and also let me know what currency your favorite and everything. If you have any kind of question relating to trading, I will try to answer as fast as I can. Now today weekend, and also today there has been a monthly candle close, and tomorrow there will be, that means today there will be weekly candle close, news release, including all of them. The market is extremely volatile, and definitely we will have some good trading opportunity. I saw that many of you joined in this live stream. Thank you. Kakulan joined. Sami, thank you. Samuel. Usdjpy, please. Let's start with Usdjpy that we will be discussing starting, and in the meantime you can write your request. I will review one by one. Let's start with dollar yen. What's happening with dollar yen? Okay, let's see. All right, so let's see dollar yen. First of all, let me see the monthly candle close. Okay, monthly close shows dollar yen bullish. Okay, so what you see, let me explain this monthly candle close. So what you saw, the dollar yen basically closed with a strong bullish candle. Now, why am I think that this is a strong bullish candle? Because there is a long wick at the top. So this long wick, basically some people misunderstanding it by thinking that okay, there is a rejection. It is not a rejection, it is a retracement. So when you see a candle like that, strongly bullish in a bullish market, this is basically the price went up, retrace, now ready to go another spike to the upside. So dollar yen bullish in a bullish market. Weekly, what kind of price action? Now weekly, this candle is going to be closed today. So what I think dollar yen could close somewhere here, somewhere in this level of support, or even it could close as a red doji. And then in the new trading week, what I think that dollar yen will break this doji, bottom of this doji, the weekly doji, that means the 121.27, and then will rise up. That's what I think. Let's see on the daily time frame how it has created. Now on the daily, today we saw that a bullish candle here. So far it's not closed, but you see this dotted line is where we see the weekly. See, let me go back to again weekly. This is the weekly candles low, right? And let's go back to the 4 hour. What I think that dollar yen during this NFP or any time, or maybe tomorrow, dollar yen will break this level to the downside, and then will rise from here. So we'll break this level of support, and then we'll rise from here. It could be the next week, but today, let's see. I will be able to tell you more clearly after NFP, because NFP will break all kind of market structure. So we'll be trading this NFP live today, because it is on at 11 o'clock, just after 25 minutes later we'll trade. And also there is another high impact news release. So I think that after the NFP, then I will understand. So far bullish market, bullish, that's what I think. Let me know in the chat section. I saw many of you join. Thank you very much for joining this live session. Coach Mounty, thank you for joining. Ryan Sharita, AUD USD, please. Thank you, I will do that. Rabi Good, thank you for joining. Q, hello Tude, thank you. Kui for joining. So let's see we have seen Usdjpy. I will go back and forth again and again with this currency pair, so stay in this live session. It's not that I finished one pair, I will not come back. We will go over and over again during this session, and we will see before and after NFP. And after NFP, normally there is always a trade signal, because all the traders wait for the news release and they started to place all the orders. So it will be really volatile during this NFP. So let's see, we see some requests from Rian and Sammy also, and also from Coach Mounty. USD CAD, let's see, USD CAD also hot now. Okay, so USD CAD was moving in a sideway like the Euro CAD, and USD CAD was moving in a sideway. What I think, let me see the monthly first, because today monthly candle closed, and the way the monthly candle closed is still bearish. Ahmed Khan join. We will Kakulan ask, we will form WhatsApp group. It will be really useful. Okay, we will do it. I will create a WhatsApp group and I will interact with you guys. We will discuss everything. We will learn the best strategy and we will create a best team. Ahmed Khan, thank you for joining. So let's see this USD CAD, how this candle is formed. So this is the monthly close. Now what I think that USD CAD, after this monthly close, this is a strong monthly candle, and we might see further slide, and then we could see an uprise. So far it's bearish. Let's see weekly. Okay, so weekly, this candle basically it's still, you know, still 9 hours to close this weekly candle, but what we see that this is neither bullish nor bearish, because we don't know how the market will form after the NFP or after the weekly close. So leave it alone. Daily, okay, so you see this daily price basically after this long week candle, the price was basically moving in a sideway. So in this sideway it is still bearish. Why? See, every time the price is creating basically lower high, except yesterday we saw a bullish candle. Except that we saw that the price was creating a lower high, so it's still bearish. But after the news release, we will understand how the price action is forming. You might say, why am I thinking this is a bearish? Look at the top of the candle. Okay, so I will advise you, as soon as the news release market settles, I'll let you know. It could be bullish. If it has a big spike and close above, so we might see a bullish move started, or we could see a drop breakout to the downside. Let's see how the price action form is. For now it is on a sideway, so we don't know what is going to happen. We need to wait for further confirmation. Yet, thank you for joining. Ahmed Khan, hello all. Thank you all of you for joining this live trading session, live NFP. We will beat the market today. We'll see what's happening. Let's see more pairs, that how they are behaving. So Aussie dollar, I found a request for Aussie dollar. Now Aussie dollar, what we saw that from this support, this is the 4-hour support. From this support we saw that Aussie dollar primarily bounced, but it could, I think that after going certain, you know, distance, it will come down again. This is the 4-hour time frame. Why? Let me show you. This is the monthly chart. Now on this monthly, what you saw that this is the Aussie dollar, you know, green candle. Now this candle closed below this very important level of resistance. Now when you see a candle close like that, this is a green candle, you can expect another move, push upside, maybe, you know, 50% of this doji, 50% of this wick of the candle, and then we could see that this candle is dropping. So this price is dropping. I think that it is really difficult for Aussie dollar to break this level, because this level is really strong level. Let me show you. So why? Because let me draw this level here. Why? Because there are some points here that I can show you on the daily time frame. So on the daily, what you see in the past, look at this. This is a support here, right? that support acted as a resistance, and also again acted as a resistance, and we saw quite a few long doji has been created. Now if we find a good signal on Aussie dollar, we might find a really good trading opportunity. Otherwise, if it can break this level, then it's a different story. We have to wait to see, but I still think that Aussie dollar is bearish. Let's see on the 4 hour. Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, if I find any price action like a hanging man doji, anything like that, in this zone, then I will be going short with Aussie dollar. But now I will neither go short nor long. All trade is closed because of the NFP. During this NFP, if you are new, I'm not sure, but if you're trading for some time, you know that how much volatility may come in this NFP news release. Pound, thank you for joining. So Shadi, hello, good morning, thank you for joining. Ahmed Khan, I'm thinking to short AUD/USD at 7540. Let me check. 7540. Yeah, it's a good point to short if it goes there. Okay, I think that it's too high range. I would say that if Aussie dollar reverse, it could reverse along this trend line, or it could break, started to move up. So we'll know after the NFP, as we will trade this NFP live in this market, so we will see an idea. Stay with the session, you will know how this price action will be forming. In the meantime, if you haven't smashed the like button yet, smash it. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press that bell notification so that you don't miss out every day, every single day. I provide live streaming and also live analysis, strategies, everything. So Kokulan asked for a NZD CHF. So let's see NZD CHF, what might happen. We saw that NZD CHF broke from to the upside. So let's see first of all monthly, after the monthly candle close. Okay, so what we have seen that NZD CHF, it's a bearish market, but now what we saw, this is the monthly trend line, right? So what I think that NZD CHF will rise up again, okay, test this monthly trend line here, okay, and then we'll come back. Okay, so currently NZD CHF reverse, so started to move up. Weekly, what we see, okay, now this is the thing, as I told you, when I see weekly, I'm strongly bearish with NZD CHF. Okay, now this candle, now what you saw that previously, this is the weekly candle, tomorrow it is drop, a closing, but today as expected NZD CHF now going up for a retracement. Okay, so this is a healthy retracement. Now let's see on the daily. Okay, daily, so daily what we saw that NZD CHF was, let me see on the 4 hour, which can be seen clearly. Okay, now NZD CHF can give us another shorting opportunity, but what I think that it will come along this trend line, okay, or even it could go up, further up, break all of them, and from here it could reverse. But I strongly believe that today, tomorrow again NZD will CHF will reverse. Smash the like button, because when you see weekly bearish engulfer, this is a nice looking bearish engulfer, guys and girls. If this candle closes like that, that means that if this candle has a red body below the previous week's low, it will drop. Okay, so NZD CHF, this is the situation. We'll go through it one by one. So what I will be doing is basically I will be waiting. We need to see something. See, when a channel is broken, it always will test the top or bottom of the channel. Now currently this is the NZD CHF channel 4 hour, and I think that it might test this top of the channel here, and then could reverse by tomorrow in the by tonight in the weekly close, and slowly will drop like this. Okay, so as soon as I will see let me show you something. You see there is another bearish red candle here. Okay, so I think NZD CHF will rise up to this level. Pardon me. And then from here NZD CHF, you know, will reverse, but we need to wait for a confirmation. If I see any kind of pin bar or long wick candle here, then I will be trading. By the way, if you don't know how to trade a long wick candle, I have a viral long wick candle trading strategy video in my YouTube channel, free. Link in the description area of this video. You can go and watch that. That's a viral video now, picked up by YouTube algorithm because many people are watching. It's a unique video. You can watch them. It's a free video. So let's see what else. Rabi Good, Euro USD asked for. Hollywood Schoolie, thank you for joining. So Rabi Good, Euro CHF and Euro dollar requested. In the meantime, you can, if you have any question, you can write in the chat section. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button. This is the live trading session. We will be trading NFP just after 15 minutes. The news will be released and we will be doing, in the meantime, all the analysis. We'll learn what's happening. I will give everything I have. And also it's a great team, great community trading here. It's a unique channel, so make sure you stick. Every day I'm releasing unique content, including strategies, analysis and live trading session. Smash the like button now and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's see Euro dollar, what's happening. Euro dollar. Okay, now Euro dollar, see, this is a bearish price action, but I think high probability that during this NFP news release, Euro may go for a spike. And what I think it could, that's why I close Euro trade with our VIP members. We close a trade on Euro CAD. After closing, it's still dropping, but I will wait for the NFP. I think that it will make a spike to the upside. Probably will make a head and shoulder like that, and then we could see a drop, because this is the 4-hour time frame. Let me see the weekly close and monthly close, how it is done. Now monthly close, you see the monthly, there has been a long wick candle at the bottom. This is a perfectly bearish candle. Now let me tell you what might happen during this NFP. You see, this is the monthly, back to back 2 monthly doji created this trend line. Let's draw this trend line and we will find thing to consider here. Let me draw it first. So what do you see that if you connect this monthly candle on Euro USD, and what do you see currently? The price closed here, right, and then it started to move. Now this Euro dollar, this long wick will be filled. You see, in the past in this zone, this monthly weeks, every time there is a week here that has been filled almost 50% or more. There has been a week that has been filled. So what I think that Euro dollar in this week also it will be filled. Okay, so that means that Euro dollar is bearish. It is likely to come down. So let's see on the weekly time frame how it is doing. Now on the weekly, you see this is the weekly level. Let me draw this weekly level of support. What do you see that on the weekly? So this is the support here on the weekly time frame. There is a support here, you know, there is a resistance here, and all the price is below this level. And we see that, you see this line that I have drawn is the monthly trend line that we have seen. Let's go back to the Jensen, thank you for joining. Could you do GBP JPY? Yes, I will do all of them one by one. Okay, now daily we have something to consider. That's what daily give you most of the time more, you know, nice information. So daily we saw that, you know, Euro dollar has created a bearish engulfer here. Okay, so after this bearish engulfer, I think that Euro dollar, because this is already overextended, and we should drop for at least for a short term. So let's see on the 4-hour. Now 4-hour we saw that Euro dollar, as I told you, creating couple of dojis here. So during after the news release, if it managed to rise up, and I think that it will go up again. Even you see this is also a doji, so I think that euro dollar will rise up, create a perfectly defined head and shoulder, and then may drop. Okay, so if it creates a head and shoulder, but if it doesn't create a head and shoulder, we will see what kind of price action it creates. But just after 10 minutes there will be news release. Let's see, there is also another news release after 2 hours from 2 hours and 10 minutes from now. So let's see how it reacts to the news. Then I will be discussing with you how we can trade this. So I saw that many of you joined. Thank you for joining, and write your question if you have any question about anything, about trading, about analysis, about trade signals. So Purity Usdjpy and Zdjpy, yes, we will go all of them. And Jensen asked for same with Euro GBP. Let's see euro. So all the euro pairs looks like slowly dropping, Euro GBP as well dropping, but same with Euro GBP. I think that Euro GBP over the long term, it's a downtrend. Let me show you the monthly close. So this is the monthly close, and I think that you see this is an overall downtrending market. So overall downtrending market, and during this news release, I think Euro GBP may go up. Let me show you weekly, and then we will discuss. So weekly, we see that Euro GBP rejected from this top. This is the weekly top, and the trend, always consider the trend. The trend is down. This is the top of the trend line. So let's see daily now. Okay, daily Euro GBP as well, same thing. Yes, same thing. Euro GBP also has created a bearish engulfer. Smash the like button in this very, very important level of resistance, and this is a long-term downtrend, guys. Trend is your friend until it bends. So it didn't bend yet. You see, this is the same situation. Every time you see the price was coming to this trend line, you see there has been a bearish engulfer there. Every time the Euro GBP is doing the same thing. You see, bearish engulfer. This is the daily chart, bearish engulfer, and I think if Euro GBP managed to go up during this high impact news release, then if it goes up, I think it could go up to this level. Why? Because you see there is a false breakout here, there is a long candle, and it could go up, test this support as a resistance, and we might see drop, or even further going up and then could drop. So this is where we will be waiting for a trading opportunity for Euro GBP. It's a long-term bearish market. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, press that bell notification. We will be trading every single day, live stream, as well as we cover NFP today. Every day I'm live streaming, posting unique content in this channel. This is the #1 money making as well as educational channel. So smash the like button now. So let's see, gold, Kakulan requested, and then we'll go to the GBP, JPY, all the pairs that you guys and girls are requesting, also AUD JPY and Zdjpy. So let's see gold. It's really hot now. Let's find out. Okay, gold, I need to see the higher time frame because lower time frame is consolidating. Okay, gold, what do you see? This is the monthly candle close, and you saw that gold came to this monthly support. This is a very, very strong support. Why? You see there is a support in the past here. There is, pardon me, there is a resistance here, resistance here. That same level acted as a support on the monthly time frame, and the price closed above, right? So from here we could see a drop to this level, I think, and then from here we could see an uprise. Because why you think that pardon me, I think that this monthly candle, after this candle, the price will be bullish again, because you see this monthly candle is basically a bullish candle, and this week represents basically a retracement of this whole move. So it could be ready for another push towards the upside. the way it has closed, or it could drop. Let's see, but primarily it will go up and then will come down. Okay, so far short term bearish, pardon me, bullish. This is the monthly candle. Now let's see what's happening with the weekly. Now weekly, you see this is a long wick candle has been created from this. This is the support here, and I think, let me draw this here. You see there is a green candle on the weekly. There is no wick at the bottom. Okay, there is nothing at the bottom, and the price just came here, you see, and then strongly buyers bought, right? I think that the price will come back again to this level, penetrate this level, and then likely to go up. Or this line, you see, this is the monthly support. There is a resistance here, the same level is monthly support. So let's see on the lower time frame how we can correlate these two lines. Okay, now what I will be doing on gold, I will be waiting for the price to drop 1907 to 1888 in this zone, and this is the zone where we can buy gold. Currently you see this is on a sideway. We might see another spike to the down, and then we might find a trading opportunity, but for now I'm not trading gold because it's in a sideway. Let's see on the 4 hour. If you are trading on the lower time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, there could be an option to trade, but for now I will be waiting for like this one, a position, then I will be trading gold. Smash the like button now. But during the NFP, as I told you, after 4 minutes there will be news release. In this news release, if we see that market structure broken, then I will advise you which way market may be heading. So make sure you stick till the end of this streaming, and also don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Let me know what you are thinking about these pairs and what's your favorite pairs. So let's see other requests that I have found so far, other currency pairs. Gbpusd. Let's see what's happening with this one. Now Gbpusd, see, this is a long-term bullish market. Okay, so still it is bullish. Such a bullish market cannot be bearish in one day. Let's see monthly first. Okay, monthly, you see this is really I like this kind of candle. You see this dodgy monthly candle, middle, and there is a wick at the top, there is a wick at the bottom. This candle will give you a story for the next month. Next month, most of the time you see Gbpusd is bullish. It could not be bullish straight away, but it's bullish. Now why? See, first of all, the price came down here, right? This 2 monthly candle low is broken, came down, and immediately went up. So one thing, it has enough liquidity here, hit a lot of millions of stop loss and went above, so it has a liquidity. Secondly, this is a very healthy bullish candle. Why am I telling healthy? Look at let me show you some unhealthy bullish candle, then you will understand what do I mean by healthy bullish candle. See, this is an unhealthy bullish candle, you see. Let me show you why. Because in this bullish candle there is no retracement. If you see a market not retracing, stay, be alert that at any point it will reverse. But when you see a candle like this, long wick at the top, that means that the price went above and then came for a retracement. So when you see healthy retracement, you can wait for another up move. This is the situation with Gbpusd. Monthly bullish. Let's see on the weekly. Tomorrow or today the weekly candle is going to close. Okay, now what I think, Gbpusd today during the news release there will be some spike up and down, and finally I think Gbpusd will close as a somewhere here as a red doji, almost where the price is, I think. And next week what might happen, the price could break this high. You see, this is the low of the weekly doji. Next week the price could break this and then will go up. Okay, so today Gbpusd could be in a sideways, but we see that it is creating a bullish candle, right? But this, after this bullish candle, you might see another drop, could be, okay? Even it could come to this 20 period moving average just above this support, and then from here we might see an uprise next week. So far, then for short term today you might see a move to the down. I think Gbpusd may not rise from here directly, okay? Could be, I could be wrong, you know, every trader is wrong. You know, the most profitable traders are those who has a narrow stop loss, a lot of losing trade but big winning trade. That's what I do. I always stick to my commitment and strategy. I keep a narrow stop loss. If I hit a stop loss, I hit a stop loss. I always keep my risk 1% or 2%, and sometimes I lose 3-4 trade, but one I win a lot of, okay, 10 times, 5 times, like that. That's the way big traders trade, okay? I have seen how the big traders trade. This is the right way to trade. So I think that Gbpusd, you might see a drop, okay, and then from here, somewhere here, we could see next week an uprise. So this is the situation with Gbpusd. Smash the like button now and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is a Forex Wizard Trading Academy. I'm Forex Wizard. Every day I live stream. Every day I post analysis and also strategies, unique content in this channel. This is to help you as a trader because this is my passion. I feel good when I spend time like-minded people like you as a trader, because there is always saying that you will see that if you wanna, you know, excel in something, you have to always stay with the like-minded people. There is no other way. A trader will understand what a trader look like. You know, if I take a trade and if I lose the trade and I tell my friend that okay, I lose the trade, they will laugh at me because they don't know that trading is like that. You need to be comfortable with losing, but that's why I need traders to mix with. So I see, okay, any Kakulan ask any tips to study fundamentals. Okay, we'll talk about it. Kaylee, sir, US oil, the bullish engulfing didn't happen, now the price go down. Okay, let me check US oil. As I told you, bullish engulfer didn't happen. Okay, let's see what's happened. All right, so US oil, see, as I told you, US oil more sensitive to news release, but bullish engulfer happened, and I still think that US oil could go up. But you see, there is a news release. I'll tell you, let me show you the Forex factory. That's why sometime in US oil, technical analysis may not work. In most pairs it works, but in gold and US oil, sometime it doesn't. Let me show you the news. Just before the live streaming, you see, Russia suspends gas flow to Germany through the Yamal Europe pipeline. This news could significantly impact the oil price, because if they, you know, suspend gas flow, the pressure will come on the oil. There is another high impact news release here. You see, Biden to announce largest oil reserve release in US history. So that means that if he truly announced that, there will be a reaction in the market, oil price drop. Okay, because if he release a huge, you know, oil reserve, then what will happen? The oil started to sell off. So in that case, even there is a bullish engulfer, it could go down. Okay, so that's why I didn't trade. I didn't send any trade signal. The analysis was done, and as I told you that we need to see fundamental confirmation. So far, according to the technical, it is bullish, but I think that US oil, even during the news release, we might see a spike to the downside, but I think that it is difficult for this instrument to break this level of, you know, support here. We might see a spike and then we'll go up again. So that could happen. So let's see what happened. Thank you for question, Kelly. Jensen, Eurujpy, please, sir. Thank you, Jensen. I'll do now Eurujpy and also gold. Any tip? Okay, Kakulan's question, any tips on fundamental? Okay, so fundamental, let me tell you what I do in fundamental. I did a big research on fundamental, how the price really react to it. Okay, so let's see. First of all, we see that there is a news time now. Is this the news time? Okay, let me check. 11:30, pardon me, news time is 11:30, not 11 o'clock. When I was talking, sometime I lose the sense of timing. So still we have 25 minutes for the news release. So what I do in terms of fundamental, I normally keep eye on news release, okay, and then I try to find a trading opportunity relating to the news release. Nothing else. See, this data will not make any sense to you. Let's say Joel's job opening, more than expected, right? Expected was, forecast was 11 million, now 11.27 million. So what it will do, some retail trader will have some reaction. Someone will think that, okay, good. Someone will think bad. There will be some volatility and price settle down, will move in the direction it is moving. So fundamental, some fundamental trader, if you are trading, say if you're an investor, then fundamental could give you a really good edge in the market. But if you are a short-term trader, a retail trader like you and me, sometimes we trade in 5 minutes, time, 4 hour time, we close our trade in an hour, 2 hour, 1 day. It doesn't have much effect on the fundamental, but still, if you have something to if you have any idea to share, you can share with us. We would like to know what you think about this fundamental. So let's see Aussie yen. Let's see what it is doing now. Aussie yen. Okay, so first of all, let's see monthly. Okay, monthly. All right, it's the same thing. See, Aussie yen and GBP/JPY did the same thing. It has, Aussie is very, very strong, even stronger than GBP. Aussie currently, Aussie dollar is the strongest currency. Okay, so Aussie yen, you see from this monthly chart, we saw that there has been a long wick created, and from this long wick, we saw that there is a retracement in this Aussie yen. The price came down, and now we see that the price again pushing to the upside. So let's see on the weekly time frame. Now weekly, you see there is a doji has been created, and I think like other pairs, Aussie yen could create a doji. Okay, may close around here today at the end of the week. It is unlikely that it will go up and close. I think that it will close as a doji, and in the new trading week, Aussie yen could start to rise from here. That could be the situation. Let's see on the daily. Now daily, we see a bull, bullish momentum, and I think that at some point it will come down and even break this level, and then we'll go up. So let's see now on the 4 hour how we can find a trading opportunity. So for now, Aussie yen, you see this is the situation. The price is moving up, and I'm bullish. I will not sell in this kind of bullish market, but I need an entry for buying. Smash the like button as soon as I will find entry. If I find entry in this session in any pairs, I'll let you know. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. Let me know in the chat area what you think, what's your favorite pairs, or what you want to trade, so that we know about your trading system, about your analysis, everything. So let's discuss something different. So do any one of you trade exotic currency pairs? Let me know. So because we never cover, sometimes I trade exotic currency pairs such as USD Mexican peso, because this kind of pair sell in this USD Mexican peso. You see there is a nice bearish angle, but this is a nice trade signal, this one. Okay, sometimes I trade because this kind of pairs sometimes give a very good trading opportunity, and it will not contradict with other pairs. Say for example, if I trade a euro pair, euro GBP, then I cannot trade either euro dollar or GBP USD because they are correlated. But say USD Mexican may not be correlated with anything. USD ZAR also same thing, they sometimes give a very nice trading opportunity. So let's see what other currency pairs is doing, what other things we can discuss. Let me see the NZD USD. Okay, NZD USD, all this after this bullish engulfer, we see that it is rising. Let's see monthly how the price action is forming. You see there is a long wick candle, and I think that after this close, after this bullish monthly close, it could rise up again. NZD USD, it could rise up. So let's see 4 hour. Now yesterday or the day before yesterday, after this rise, what did I say? That NZD USD is likely to be bullish, and you see today the price came down here. Basically this is a retracement of this move. Let me see the Fibonacci level. If you take your Fibonacci from the high to the low, what we see, that you see this is the NZD USD 61.8% Fibonacci level. So this is the Fibonacci level, and we saw a bullish engulfer. And let's see how this NFP goes. News release, wait for the weekly close, things settle down, and then we will see clear picture. Either it is moving, because it is now in a sideway, went up, came down, so creating a pattern that is looks like it's bullish, but we need to see further confirmation. This is weekend, and we need to see what's happening with the new trading week. So I saw Nelson joined USD ZAR. Yes, Nelson, we'll look at it. The Forex gold, thank you for joining this live trading session. Ahmed Khan, I did trade GBP SEC and USD NOK. Okay, that's great. We'll see that one also. Spread may be high on those pairs. Yeah, so what I do, spread is high, but what I do is I trade only on daily time frame, okay, or 4 hour if I see clear signal. But if it is a high spread for you, don't trade it. It's very important that you keep proper track on your pairs. So Kakulan requested GBP USD as well. So first let's see USD ZAR, and then gold, and then we'll do GBP USD. Okay, so let's see USD ZAR, what happened with the monthly. Okay, we saw that, see, this is where I exactly predicted the monthly candle. I even gave a free trade signal from here, and that triggered the trade signal on USD ZAR for the couple of days ago. For those who have seen that, smash the like button now, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Every day I provide live streaming, analysis, and strategy. Now USD ZAR, let's see what could happen. Okay, so this is the monthly close here. Let me draw this trend line so we know that where it could go. Let's see on the weekly now what happened. Okay, weekly closed with a strong bearish candle, followed by this week the price currently retracing to the upside. This line is where the weekly support here, support here. There is a resistance. I think that the price may drop from here. So let's see on the daily how the price action is formed. Now this is the situation with the daily, and you see there is a support here. Now the thing is that on the daily it looks like a reversal. Okay, it looks like a reversal, looks like a double top here. Okay, so for now I think that it could rise up, or it could go up and go up here and then started to move down. At this point, if you are trading in a very short term, bullish USD ZAR. Okay, for now bullish, and after going there maybe we could see bearish move. So for now it is bullish. MD Shuman, thank you for joining. Jensen, do you have any tips on prop firm like FTMO? So FTMO, there is, if you are I saw what is their condition. If you can consistently generate in the first month, you need to generate at least 10%, and in the later you have 3 months to generate same kind of return. So FTMO, if you are confident trader, you can try FTMO. not bad, but you have to have a confidence that you can generate at least 10% in first month. So the best tip for FTMO, if you want to start, I will say that wait for a best trade setup and then take a big profit on the same trade. If you can generate 10%, then don't trade anymore, because they have a 10 days gap for, you know, you can't wait on, you know, without trade after 10 days. So what you can do, let's say in the first week you found a good trade and you in 2-3 trade you generated 10%. So what you will do for the next 10 days, just open a small position and close it. So that's how you can keep the 10%. Wait for 1 month, so you will get you will pass the challenge. Secondly, in FTMO, what I would say that if you are not confident enough, then you can, they have a free trial version as well. You can try with the free trial, and that's the thing. And also don't start the challenge in the middle of the month. Start with a week that will have a volatility, so that the first week you can generate the profit, and the month that will have more news release, that's the best month. And also don't do it in a, you know, dull month such as, you know, December or January, when there is a, you know, there is no volatility in the market. So that's the tip I can give you for FTMO. Thank you for joining, Miraz. Zahir from Karachi, Pakistan. Thank you for joining. So let's see GBP USD, and then we'll see other pairs. So let me know in the meantime, you are a day trader or a swing trader, and what time frame you trade. Let me know in the chat section what time frame you trade, so that I have more idea about you for future. So let's see GBP USD. Now, as I told you yesterday also, you see GBP USD moving in a sideways. I really you know, sometimes I get annoyed when I see a sideways market. I just don't trade, because when it moves like this sideways, you neither can trade long or short, is because of the NFP. So it will wait until the NFP. So let's see monthly to see the future price movement. Monthly is bearish. Okay, GBP USD is still bearish, but we could see a spike to the upside today, you know, and after this spike maybe we can see a drop. So let's see, let me draw this level, the monthly level, where we might see the spike. So this is the doji on the monthly. Swing trader Q 4 hour, Jensen, I trade 1 hour 4 hour. That's great to hear. So that's good that I saw your time frame. Let me know everyone what time frame you trade. It's very important for me, so that I can prepare myself for you. If I see that majority of trading in a certain time frame, I can prepare myself so that I can give you best advice. Because if I give you a say 4 hour advice and you are trading in 5 minutes, may not be suitable, or maybe you are trading on 5 minutes, or 4 hour I'm giving advice on 5 minutes, will not be suitable. So everyone write down what time frame you trade is very, very important for me. So now let's see weekly what type of candle it is creating in GBP USD. See, there is a doji here formed on the weekly, and in the weekly forex forecast also I mentioned this. The price did exactly, and now we see that it is it went up. This is the weekly chart, created a long wick candle at the bottom. Now from here it could happen that GBP could start to rise up. This kind of candle, if it close like that, we might see. Now on the weekly I see little bit of bearish flavor, bullish flavor. Okay, let's see on the daily. That's why you need to see always multi-time frame, because one time frame will tell you bearish, another time frame bullish, and finally you have to come up with a solution. So this is the daily. Okay, daily was going in a sideways, but I think British pound US dollar, what it could do, even it could come to this resistance. Okay, and then it could drop. So monthly, let me see how it looks like. Okay, it's too high, isn't it? Let me draw it a bit nicely. So weekly, now how it looks like. Yeah, that is feasible. I think that British pound US dollar for the short term may rise up. We'll see after the news release. This is the 4 hour, which is a really boring market now at this point, moving in a completely sideways, not giving any opportunity to trade because of the NFP. So what might happen, what I think, if it broke down during the NFP, then later it could rise. If it broke up during the NFP, then it could come down. That is what normally most of the time happen during the news release. If it is spiked to the one side, later it trend to the other side. But after news release with the candlestick pattern, I will discuss with you. So stay tuned and also smash the like button, hit that red subscribe button. There is a lot of content in this channel. Every day I release strategies, trading videos, educational content. There's a lot of strategies such as double doji trading strategy in this channel. Link in the description. Also go to my channel, watch that. That will change your way completely. So I saw many of you written, Shady, I trade mostly 15 minutes. Okay, Shady, I know that you trade 15 minutes. So Nazir Ismail, okay, hello. For bias and direction daily for entry 1 hour mostly, okay, great. Ama Asser from Canada, good morning Ama, for joining this live trading session. Ahmed Khan, 4 hour and daily, mostly 4 hour, that's good. Jensen, could you do Eurujpy? Yes, we'll do Eurujpy. In the meantime, everyone, let me know what time frame you trade. So Eurujpy, let's see. Okay, all JPY pairs now behaving almost in the same way. Now Eurujpy, euro is very weaker for now. Let's see what's happening. Okay, monthly, okay, this is the very strong bullish candle, as I told you. See, the low of the candle came way down and then spiked to the upside. Okay, closed with a wick at the top. So this is a bullish candle, and I think that the price will rise from here. Okay, from here means not from here, it could come down little and then could rise. Eurujpy monthly, weekly, what's happening? Okay, weekly, what you saw, there is a this is a a bullish candle. This candle is a bullish, and I think that weekly candle may not close here. It may even come down, close somewhere down today. It may spike to the upside and may come down. So today, if you are trading only today, it's bearish, okay, for today. And I think that Eurujpy, this is the daily chart, right? I think today it will break, along this line. There is a support here. Let me draw this. So you see, with this red candle, I think Eurujpy will come down with this, this is the daily chart, and with this red candle, and it may come down here with this 20 period moving average and will create a bearish structure. It may not rise from here, and it may not break and change its trend. It is a completely a long-term trend. Okay, so it may not break in one day. So let's see on the 4 hour. So this is the situation. Now if you are trading today after the NFP, if I find a trade signal here, okay, here to go short for a short term, then I will let you know at the end of the session. But I think you see there is a back-to-back two dodges here as well. This is a very high liquidity zone, and early next week the price may come down here, and from here you also see this is the trend line of this move, and from here I think that Eurujpy will create a bullish structure. Smash the like button now, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. I see Avinash, 1 hour. Moshoud, I trade daily and 4 hour mostly. Thank you for joining. And Jensen, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. No problem, Jensen. You are always welcome. So I see mostly higher time frame. I found one of you, pardon me, I forgot, 15 minutes. So mostly our daily 4 hour. So if any one of you need analysis on the lower time frame, then I will stick to the 4-hour, hourly, daily, this kind of price time frame. But if you need an analysis on 15 minutes or 5 minutes, just let me know in the chat section. I will let you know. We will be living trade NFP. Smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button. Every day I live stream in this channel. Every day we trade live. Today also we will be seeing how the price is reacting. Guys, EuroCAD, I'm really biased with bearish setup on this one. Let me see. We just closed the trade, bearish trade for the NFP. Why? Let me show you this daily chart. This is the daily time frame, and you see there is a nice trending market, and I think that it will go further. We will enter again EuroCAD. If you wanna see how we'll be trading, make sure you stick till the end of this video, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell button so that every day when I release new content, you don't miss out any of them. EuroCAD, I sent a trade signal to the VIP members, and then I closed it with some pip. I told them to close because of the NFP. There could be spike. Okay, so let's see what is happening with EuroCAD. Let me show you the monthly. Okay, monthly, it is a very strongly bearish market. You see after this there is one strong bearish candle here, followed by little retracement, another bearish candle, followed by another retracement. We saw a breakout. Now at this point EuroCAD is residing in a very down price, and I think EuroCAD could come at least to this monthly zone. At least to this zone EuroCAD could come. Okay, so that means that even lower than this. So let's say this is the top. The top is where the EuroCAD will come in this zone. So let's see on the weekly where we can expect EuroCAD to come. So this is the situation on the weekly. We saw a candle that is a long wick candle. Now what could happen during the NFP, that it could happen, may not happen. I think if EuroCAD come here during the news release in this 20 period moving average again, then I will definitely enter a short trade from this zone with a stop loss above this red candle, and I will target even 1 to 10. That's how I trade. I risk small, I take a big profit target, and if one trade hit to up to 1 to 10, that's it. Okay, that will give you everything that you lose. That's how traders trade. That's how hedge fund trades. That trade, they trade like most of them have a strategy like as soon as the trade doesn't go well, they cut it. As soon as the trade doesn't go well, they cut it. Let's say they have for example, how the professional successful trader trades. They have, let's say, 1 million trading account. Their risk maybe 0.5%. Then how much risk? 5,000, right? 1 million trade account, 5,000. Their risk maybe 5 pip, 10 pip in a very important area. As soon as they're wrong, they cut it 5,000. They cut with 5,000. They cut with 5,000. When they're right, they hold the trade for maybe 10 times profit. So that means 50,000, 5,000 each trade. If you take 10 times, it will be $50,000. So if you have let's say 50,000, when they use this money again, reinvest. They again use 5,000. If the trade doesn't go, they cut. Again use 5,000. If the trade doesn't go, they cut. In this way, they may be spending 25,000, and again another trade trigger. Okay, that will give you another 10,000, 50,000. The same thing we need to repeat in our trading. Okay, that's the right way to trade. Yes, Kakulan, 2 minutes to NFP. We will be trading live today. Avinash, thank you, sir. What time you come again live? Every day, like today, every single day except the weekend. I release weekly forex forecast and also strategies, educational content every trading day. The same time today I release every same time. Okay, so make sure you hit that bell button and also press that subscribe button. So let's see how NFP is doing. We'll see all the pairs, how they are behaving. and as soon as we will find a trading opportunity, we see that primarily British pound US dollar maybe slowly broke, spike to the upside and then broke. Now we will see, maybe we can see some magic in this pairs. So let's see, the magic is about to start. EuroCAD is driving to the upside, and I think that in EuroCAD you see there are two long wick candle. If EuroCAD go up again, create a head and shoulder here, I think that will be nice one to trade. As you saw that on the EuroCAD we have a daily bearish engulfer. The trend is down. Let me show you the trend on the daily time frame on EuroCAD. So today my bias is with the EuroCAD. You see, this is a long term downtrend. Okay, that types of trade you need to see. This is a long-term downtrend. So trend is down. So this is the seller's market. This is a bear market, and we found on the daily time frame there is a strong level of a support and resistance together. When you see support and resistance together, that is the nice trade to take. You see there is a support here, there is a support here. This is the daily time frame EuroCAD. There is a resistance, and from this resistance and also from a 20 period moving average, we saw a textbook bearish engulfer closed below with a long wick at the bottom. That is a sign of strong bearish move. So that means that on the 4 hour, if during this news release, if EuroCAD rise up, create a head and shoulder on the 4 hour in this, that means that this is the support that we have drawn, right, on the daily. See, this is the support. Now it may happen that today another test as a resistance, and maybe we could see after the news release a pin bar, then smashing the like button, and we'll go for short. Okay, so if in this instrument, if I find a trading opportunity today, I'll give you guys in this live trading session. Stay tuned, stay till the end of this video, and also smash the like button, hit that subscribe button. News release point, thank you for telling us news release. Let's see how the pairs react. Normally in NFP the pairs stay volatile for a very long time. This is the 11:30 in Sydney time, right? So 1 o'clock there will be another news release, so the things will settle after 1 o'clock. That means that now 11:30, 12:30, 1, so 1.5 hour later or 2 hours later things will start to settle, and that is when we might find trading opportunity. So let's see what's happening with all the pairs. Gold broke down. Let's see USD CAD. Okay, now USD slowly getting stronger, but let's see later we might see that it's getting weaker. So in NFP normally it happens that one time the price will go in one way, and later you see that it is spiking to the other way. So let's see what other pairs are doing. If anyone knows about any pairs due to the NFP behaving in a different way, let me know, because I am watching in this monitor. Because I am live streaming, I can't watch multiple chart. So let's see what's happening, what other pairs doing in this news release. So I think the news released. So let's see on the lower time frame. Let's see on the 15 minutes. We might see very nicely on the 15 minutes. So what happened with British pound US dollar? Okay, British pound US dollar broke down. Okay, this is the 15 minutes chart. So let's see how it is breaking down. We might see, let me see on the 4 hour, then I'll know what's happening. Okay, so British pound US dollar currently breaking down. That means that USD is getting stronger, right? USD is getting stronger. EuroCAD, let's see EuroCAD. Okay, EuroCAD not reacting anything. That means euro dollar also same thing. We might see breaking down. So that means that at some point you might see that it is moving in the other direction. That's what happened. So let's see, the things need to settle down, then we will be thinking for trading or anything like that. Aussie dollar, because now dollar is getting stronger, Aussie also, Aussie dollar also stronger. That's why the price is not moving much. But we saw a significant reaction with British pound US dollar. So let's things settle down, and then we will find a trading opportunity. I will tell you how we can trade. If I have any signal, I will certainly let you know. And Euro and ZD also, we saw a bearish engulfer here, and after that the price came down, but I didn't trade because of the, as you know, that this is the news release. And EuroCAD, we see that this is the hourly chart, and I want to see that EuroCAD is rising up. That's my goal is. So I'm keeping eye on EuroCAD and Euro NZD. So I want it to first go up, go up, and then from here along this zone, if it goes like this straight up and create reversal pattern, we'll trade with a big profit on this one. So first let it create a structure. Okay, when I will find my setup, I'm done. Like that, what I do, I wait for my setup for a very, very long time. And that's the trading. Real traders, they wait days, even in weeks, for their setup. Once they get it, they get it. Okay, so you see the NZD USD also creating kind of bearish pattern. Before it was a bullish pattern. So every moment market structure changes. So NZD CHF, as I told you, this is also, I am biased to the downside. This is also a bearish market. NZD CHF could be a nice instrument to trade, because you see all this weekly green, no resistance, and when it will fall the same way, it will fall with all red. So it could be nice instrument to trade, but we just need our setup. You see, this is the daily. And what I think, NZD CHF, if after the news release it closes like this, we might see slowly sliding towards down. This is because there is a support here, that's why we saw a reaction, but we will see a drop in this one slowly. So USD CAD, how this is doing, all this pair. So what do you see that Euro USD dropping? Yeah, let's see. Kakulan informed that Euro USD dropping. Ravi good. Yes, patience. Patience is the key in trading. Not key. This is only the way in trading. Semi, the Usdjpy seems to be forming a double doji on the 4 hour. Okay, let me check Usdjpy. Same, you were saying that forming a double doji on the 4 hour. See, only double doji may not give you a good trading opportunity, because looks like that one I like it, this kind of double doji. Okay, that's true. So if this one, this look like a, but this one needs to close create a higher high and higher low. That's a nice catch, Semi. That's good. So when you see double doji like this in a rising market, that's a bullish setup, but it doesn't mean that it will be always right. Could be wrong. But if it breaks the high, okay, if it breaks the high and then create a double doji, that could be a trading opportunity. And I normally will use pending order in that case here. Not now, but normally I use pending order in the liquidity zone, keeping stop loss below and trade to the upside. So Usdjpy looking like so far bullish. Let's see what's happening. So let's see euro dollar, how it is doing. In the meantime, let me know in the chat section what you are thinking about these pairs and how you are trading. Let us know. Let's see on euro dollar. Euro dollar dropping in still, as I told you, that it could create a spike to the upside. That's what happened when there is a high impact news release. We see that the price now, the pairs are very, very volatile. Still full volatility didn't come because sometime big boys analyze the news, what's happening, and then they started to place orders. Okay, so as I told you, EuroCAD is rising. That's what I expected, and I'm waiting for a bearish setup on EuroCAD with my VIP members. I want my VIP members and you guys to make money. This is the #1 money making channel. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you are new. So I will be waiting for some time to see how this is happening, how these news are impacting. So in the meantime, let me know what currency pair your favorite, what you trade, what currency pair you mostly trade. Let me know in the chat section so that I know that what you are up to, and we can have a good understanding about analysis and everything. So far USD CAD, still the price didn't make much difference. Sometime let's see how the price action is forming, then we will know. Silver and gold, what do you see? Winfried gold, yeah, thank you for letting us know. Winfred, sorry, sometime I make mistakes in pronouncing names, sometimes I face it difficult. Avinash, Aussie dollar, okay, great, it's your favorite pair. Gold is also very good pair to trade. And as I told you, let's see what is happening with the gold. Now gold bounced from this support and we might see further uprise. Let's see what happened. And I see that Rabi Gold Euro CAD is climbing to the give us chance to short. Yes, that's what I'm waiting, Grabi. I'm waiting for a short setup on Euro CAD. That's what my takeaway. Chindi gold, okay, Chindi, thank you for joining, thank you for letting us know. So gold, I saw many of you trade gold. That's good. It's a very precious metal, juicy things. Smash the like button now if you want to learn more about gold. Let us know in the smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel, pressing the red button. Every day I live stream, I provide trade advice on gold, euro dollar, USD CAD every single day. So let's see after this news release what's happening with the gold. Let's see 15 minutes time frame. If you are trading on the shorter time frame, let's see 15 minutes. Okay, now what I think that gold might let me see. Okay, so gold looks like creating a bullish pattern now. Okay, gold is going to be bullish after this news release, but don't open any trade in this news release. It will just go up and down, but for now it could create a bullish pattern. You see, this is the 15 minutes time frame now. So when news release, I sometimes look at 15. You see there's a gap opening on gold. There is a gap opening after this doji, and I think that from 1930 we could see a spike to the upside. Let's see, gold is spiking to the upside in 15 minutes. So let's see, but don't open a trade now. You know, this is very dangerous time now. The price, you see the price spiking to the upside. Smash the like button now and also hit the subscribe button. Look at this, what's happening with the gold. So we will be waiting for the candle close, then as us hardly doing anything on right now. Yeah, NFP normally takes time because you know big traders analyze the news. So this is the gold 15 minutes chart. So what we see that Jensen, I trade Usdjpy, thank you. So this is the 15 minutes chart on gold, guys. We see that gold has opened with a gap and rising. So short term bullish, we might see a spike to the upside. The reason is, you see, this is the 15-minute candle closing just after 1 minute, and there is a strong bullish setup. This one, see, this candle came down here and closing above, and I think that if you trade on this one, stop loss should be below this low. This is NFP. Don't trade big risk. I think if gold rise up, we might see a spike somewhere here. So around, let's say 1940 could be. Let's see how this 15 minutes candle closes. But I see that it's a bullish because there is a gap opening, and that means that we might see a spike. But before this spike, it could come down again along this zone and could go up, or maybe going from here. So for short term bullish, smash the like button now. Look at this, 15 minutes gold is rising now. That's what I do in the news time. I always look at the lower time frame to see how the price is reacting to the news. This is live trading session on NFP. Smash the like button if you want to do it every single day in this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. I am Forex Wizard. This is Usdjpy from this channel. Every day, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press that bell notification so that you are notified whenever I send release something. So gold is short-term bullish, but as you know that this is the news candle. At any point it might spike and spike down, so make sure you do your own research and own responsibility what you will be doing with this. But I am giving you my takeaway. I could be wrong at any point, so it could start to spike down at any point, but I think that this 15 minutes candle on the gold is a bullish candle. Okay, so let's see what happened. It could come down and could go up, or may go up from here. Okay, so we see that that is what's happening. Gold is in the 15 minutes is rising. If you're new to the channel, smash the like button. You see it came down, tested this 20 period moving average, and also I think it will come down further to this level 1929 in this gap area, because this gap has not been tested. So we might see another quick spike to the down, testing this gap, and maybe we may see rise. You see the price looks like coming down to test this 1929. And even in this 15 minutes, if we see a inverted head and shoulder, guys, then this could be a bigger move. Already we saw a double bottom here. You see there is a double bottom in this 15 minutes time frame from this important level of support. So, and then with this 15 minutes we saw a bullish engulfer, you see, and with this doji, gold created a gap opening just before the NF, during the news release. So when you see a gap opening with a strong bullish engulfer, now listen why I am so passionate about this candle. Let me tell you, this 15 minutes candle is because this gold candle has crossed all the way down and all the way up. That means it hits a lot of stop loss, and now it is spiking to the upside. I think that gold will go up to 1940. Smash the like button now if you're new to the channel, and also hit that red subscribe button so that you don't miss out any of these that I release every day. Now we are trading live NFP. I'm seeing how gold is spiking to the upside, and I strongly believe that this time gold in this shorter time frame gold will rise up, and let's see how it reacts to the weekly level. Let me draw this level where gold may rise up. See, this is the weekly resistance. Let me draw this. So I think that if it spike up, even it could go up to 1950 today, tomorrow, or at least 1940. It should go up during this spike moment. So it's still, so far it is bullish, and this is the bullish price action gold in 15 minutes. So I think that it will go up. So let's see what other purity and Usdjpy. So let's go to the other currency pair and we'll come back to gold again. So let's see in Usdjpy what's happening. So gold, this is the situation on the 4-hour time frame. We'll see how the candle closes. I think it will spike towards the upside. See, it's a very different picture when you see 15 minutes and when you see 4-hour. It's a completely different picture. That's why you always need to see the multi-time frame confirmation. Gbpusd is creating bearish price action. This is the 4-hour candle is closing after 10-11 minutes, but this candle so far is a bearish candle, but this structure is still I'm still not happy with this structure for going short. So let's see next how this candle is closing. Eurocad did not go up too much, did not create that much spike yet, so we might still have an option to trade to the downside. So Eurocad, as I told you, I'm biased to the downside. If Eurocad, even this is the hourly chart, even if it rise up at least to this level, and create a a bearish price action on the lower time frame, I might go short with EuroCAD. I think EuroCAD already made a spike to the upside, isn't it? Yeah, we saw that it went almost 38.27, right? So there has been a spike, and I'm waiting for a bigger spike on EuroCAD, to the upside, and then I will be thinking going short. So because euro is weaker and EuroCAD could be weaker than this. Now euro dollar, see euro dollar now creating series of dodges, okay, series of dodges. It's also a strong bearish price action, guys. So after this NFP, we might find a trading opportunity. Now I will be ending this live stream for now, and thank you for joining this session. Let not me close this session. Let's trade this 4-hour session with you live. I will not end this session. I will be staying with you next 10 minutes because this candle closed, and I will be trading with you. I will be sending the trade signal in this live trading session. You guys and girls stayed with me, so you deserve a trade signal. But make sure you smash the like button, and also make sure you manage your risk, because as I'm telling you, I'm not always right. So if you damage your trading account, then you will be responsible for everything, because at the end of the day, we need to make our own decision. So if I find a trade signal, I will trade, and I will send you this trade signal. So far we haven't. Let's see what everyone is doing. So in the chat section, anyway, every one of us, let me know if you see any trade in any currency pairs. Ama said GBP JPY, please. Oz euro dollar is getting ready to go up very soon. Could be a spike to the upside. That's true. Let's see. Even could be down. Let's see. Nelson, thank you. No problem, Nelson. Rabi Good. Smash the like button, Rabi Good. Thank you for your request. You are really good man. Everyone is good. Everyone loves me. I love. You see, I don't want to end the session. I'm really enjoying with you guys. Smash the like button now, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay with me every day in this live session. We trade live every day. So GBP JPY, let's see. Okay, GBP JPY creating a bullish pattern. Okay, so far bullish. Now at the end of this session, like they have done at the end of this candle, if we see GBP JPY closing as a double doji with a higher low and higher high, then I would say that it is a bullish setup. Okay, but we don't know, it could be a bearish setup. If it closed below, it could be a bearish setup. As I told you, GBP JPY may come down here and then started to move up. So still this candle is not developed. It has to close above like this, then I would say that it's a bullish setup. Otherwise it's still bearish setup. So let's see Euro AUD, EuroCAD is still struggling to go up, and I think that after this candle close we might see a spike, because I will not trade like this from here for sure. Euro GBP, same thing. Okay, Euro GBP, also preparing. Let's see how it goes. Euro CHF, I think euro pair is better for trading for now so far. Euro dollar, okay, euro dollar actually creating a double doji. It's basically a bearish setup, to be honest. Okay, euro dollar could drop from here. Okay, let's see. As I told you, it's very sometime we need to change our mind in a minute. When you see the setup change, market structure change, we need to change our mind. You can't be you can't hold some people hold ego. They say that okay, I say long, I will stay long, I can't change my decision. Okay, so that's why most people lose money. You need to be dodgy when you need to be smart. Smart trader are those who sometimes change their mind when market change their mind. So that is very, very important that you change your mind when market change their mind. Now what I'm trying to see, a trading opportunity, if I can find. You see there is a support here. Euro GBP is forming this candle on this support, and let me see, as I told you that EuroCAD is my favorite for going short, but I want to see that EuroCAD has gone up, you know, created this spike. Otherwise, let me see daily if we still can trade. Let's see how the price action form EuroCAD, GBP and ZD. Let me know in the meantime. Jensen Gold, thank you. Amir Khan, can you tell about USD CAD? Yes, I can. Jensen Gold. Okay, let's see USD CAD, how this is forming. USD CAD, it's in a still sideways. Okay, still sideways. It's really, it's not making any sense. This price action needs to break out to the upside, or it's creating a lower high. It's a bearish, and again it is creating a, you know, a bullish move to the upside. So I'm still off on USD CAD. I don't know, because it's sideways. Okay, overall bearish, so bias should be bearish because it's overall bearish market, but still not sure. Gold, now as I told you, spike to the upside and then spike to the downside. Now it is creating a bearish engulfer in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's see what's happening. This is the hourly chart. Gold, okay, gold spike to the upside, spike to the downside. Let's see. Okay, so that's what happening. Gold now spiking to the downside. So after 33, 34, now spiking to the downside. Let's see how it does. So that is now the real news reaction is coming. So let's see what happened, and then we will be knowing. Okay, USDJPY. So this is the 15 minute. Let's see 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour USDJPY has created a bullish price action. Okay, this is a bullish price action, guys and girls, and I would say that USDJPY turning into bullish. So let's see USD CAD. That means that USD is getting stronger. Okay, USDJPY getting stronger means USD getting stronger. That means GBP USD could be bearish. EuroCAD, okay, EuroCAD is still not showing any sign of bearish move. So Aussie dollar, what could happen? I think Aussie dollar could go in a sideways or could be bearish, because Aussie also stronger, dollar also getting stronger. Still not sure, because there is another news release and finally we will know. But I think so far dollar yen is my favorite pair to trade at this point. But as I told you, could change its mind during the news release, but so far it's bullish. That's trading. You can't guarantee all the time what will happen, but dollar yen looks like bullish. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button, press that bell notification so that you don't miss out any of these. I release every day. Okay, so let me tell you, I will go long with dollar yen. Trading with the trend is the best always. Okay, I'll go long with dollar yen. I couldn't find better trade than dollar yen. USD CHF as well looks like bullish. Let me see weekly. Okay, weekly candle came down, closed above. Monthly, okay, monthly bullish. Okay, USD CHF bullish. Okay, USD CHF and dollar yen bullish. That means that USD pairs are bullish. So USD CAD could be different, because CAD also stronger, dollar also stronger. So Euro CAD, what's happening? Euro CAD now dropping. So let's see hourly. Okay, so Euro CAD is bearish. Okay, Euro CAD bearish. USD CAD, pardon me, dollar yen bullish. USD CHF bullish. Okay, so this is the situation with all these pairs. Thank you for joining this live trading session. It was good to have some time with you. And also Martin, we already discussed Gbpusd. I think Gbpusd is bearish. It's showing a bearish price action. You saw the candle, you know, from above, it closed below. Gbpusd bearish. That means that dollar so far getting stronger. So Gbpusd bearish, euro dollar so far bearish, and AUD USD could be bearish slowly, but it's still, it didn't do anything, but it looks like it is creating a bearish candle, and I will be biased to the downside. Smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the pressing the red button. I'll see you in the new trading week. Tomorrow I will be releasing my weekly forex forecast. Make sure you watch that, and also I will be releasing some other educational content. Make sure you press that bell notification button. Thank you for joining this trading session. I'll see you tomorrow. Safe trading, and also manage your risk. Much love.